सर्वप्रथम आप इसी डिक्टेशन पैसेज से जो इम्पोर्टेंट आउटलाइंस यहाँ दिए जा रहे हैं उसका आप अच्छी तरह प्रैक्टिस कर लें ताकि आपको डिक्टेशन लेने में कोई असुविधा ना हो। Ready, start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I support the demand for grant for the Ministry of Labour, Employment and Rehabilitation. First, as regards bonus, it has a special significance because it is an assured income for the worker. Thanks to this ministry, the government have brought out the Bonus Act. I may point out that it assures two things, namely the minimum bonus and the maximum bonus. Para. Then I shall deal with the question of employment. As we know, education has spread to a large extent in our country, and with the spread of education, we are faced with the problem of educated unemployment. As a matter of fact, most of the men and women are now educated, and it is natural that they have to get employment to earn their livelihood. But we are surprised to find from the report that the problem of unemployment is growing day by day. Para. We are now saying that our government are not trying to solve it. Of course, we are aware that they are solving it to the extent possible, but the pace of solving it should be accelerated. That is my request. In this connection, I must say that employment in the private sector has also increased, but we find that in many cases the private sector employers are giving employment to their kith and kin. I want to draw the attention of the House to the fact that the industrialists who receive loan from the government do not start industries with their own funds. On the other hand, they get loans from all possible sources. In view of this, I want that the government or the labor ministry must see that the industries which receive loans from the government should give employment in their concerns to all sections of people. This is a very important matter, and this should be looked into as soon as possible. Para. Another point is about profession tax. At present, in the Payment of Wages Act, there is no provision for deduction from wages of the profession tax payable by employees to the local bodies. From the point of view of collection, it will be easy to collect the profession tax from the employees through the management. So, we can make an arrangement by which the entire sum payable by the employees to the local bodies can be collected by one check issued by the management. The panchayats need not spend more money for the collection of the profession tax, so I would suggest that suitable amendments to the Payment of Wages Act may be made to provide for this purpose. Para. I now come to one of the most important matters, namely the Provident Fund scheme. I am glad that the Provident Fund scheme is being extended to a number of new industries. One matter about which I want to make a mention is that the industrial magnates have got their own houses and bungalows for their officers. There are the watchmen, gardeners, and other who are employed in these bungalows. Para.